Hey there, Chris from Chris Tech, your tech guy next door. Today, I'll be unboxing the Rode Wireless Go microphone system. The Rode Wireless Go microphone system is an entry-level microphone released in 2019 and is one of the best options for YouTube content creators on a budget. It goes for about $260. That's retail to Nigeria, so you're talking about 125,000. According to Rode, it's the world's smallest and most versatile microphone system in the world. Enough of looking at me. Now let's get right to the unboxing. The packaging is quite compact. I wonder what was squeezed in there. We tear this up. So, what's in the box? We have a nice pouch containing the Rode transmitter, which is more like the microphone, as well as the receiver, which has a screen, and this is the part connected to your camera or phone. This pouch feels durable though. What else is in the pouch? Oh, this. Get out of here, man. Then there is a 4 windshield, also called dead cat or dead kitten. Oh my. There is an SC cable, which for this case is SC2, and it's a 3.5mm TRS to TRS patch cable. Of course, it's used for cameras and some other equipment, but not phones, which is actually TRRS. We have 2 USB Type-C cables to charge both receiver and transmitter, as they both have Type-C ports. And one more 4 windshield, so that's making 2 windshields. And lastly, some light paperwork. Read them all. So that's it. Now you have your Rode microphone open. Starting up is as easy as switching on the power button on the receiver and then the transmitter. If it has synced, on the screen of the receiver you will see the input from the transmitter. If this is not synced, you can press the sync button at the bottom of the receiver. Just to point out that the design of the transmitter and the receiver are done in such a way that you can actually fasten it to a shoe for your camera or to even a tripod, as well as even to my shirt as it is right now. You can even attach a lav microphone to the transmitter, just in case you want extra flexibility. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be one of the first to watch my video. Chris from Chris Tech, your tech guy next door. Catch you next time.